Do you want to automatically play voice messages on Emochi? In this video, I will show you how to use the auto voice play feature on the Emochi app, so you can listen to messages without tapping every time. The first thing you have to do is to go to Emochi app. As you see, you will click here, and then in this window you will go to this profile. Then you will move to this sign of settings. After that, here you will find chat features. You will click here to enable autoplay voice on Emochi app. As you see, so this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.